All week long, we are featuring the flavors of the holiday thanks to Scooter's Coffee.
So good. If you're running out and about this holiday season, you know, it's busy. They've got plenty of options to fuel you through the hustle and the bustle.
What do we got today?
We've got frosted peppermint mocha, and this is so good.
Yeah, it's good. It's a holiday classic. Combines mint, mocha, and espresso. Then it gets topped with fluffy whipped cream and sprinkled with peppermint chips.
Pick one up at a Scooter's near you and check out their other delicious options at scooterscoffee.com. On tomorrow's show,